What is the best VPN? There are many different VPNs on the market to choose from, both free and paid versions. Finding the best VPN for any organization comes down to particular needs and business goals. Too many VPNs, however, focus just on user security or providing a low cost VPN for browsing, which can be easily congested, making working remotely difficult and sometimes impossible, especially for network heavy tasks like editing, document sharing, video conferencing, and accessing remote applications. Today's modern IT teams need to provide remote internet access to employees that is both secure and highly available. CloudBrink solves this problem by being designed to use machine learning to optimize traffic flow, detect and route around potential bottlenecks, providing faster routes, less packet drop, and deliver secure, high performance connectivity to the hybrid workforce, and why current solutions such as legacy VPN, standard ZTNA, and SD-WAN fail to provide a suitable service.